Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the hashtag on the Instagram story, which is so useful, and how it's useful to you on using the Instagram story. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add the hashtag on the story or hashtag on the Instagram story? It's so useful. I'm just going to show how it's useful. So for an example, just going to add this mouse on the Instagram story. So actually this post is about a mouse. It's a Gibronic mouse. So it's actually loved by the tech lovers. So it should be reach the tech lovers so I can get more engagement. So click on the sticker option and just scroll down. You will see an option called hashtag. Click this. You can just type what the hashtag you just needed. For an example, tech, technology, or mouse, whatever you just needed. Or it's a RGB mouse. So I can just type as RGB mouse. That's it. So it will be shows around it will be gain more engagement for your story. So this will so useful while you are using a hashtag, which is really useful. This is how you just insert a hashtag on your story. You can just mention as tech or technology about the product, whatever you just needed. So it will be shows on the hashtag page, which is so useful. Something will be happen and also have getting a more engagement for new people to come inside your page or your account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.